Hi, hello, welcome back to SBR Learners G. In this video, I am going to explain about how to find the difference between place value and face value. Please watch the video till the end. Let us discuss the difference between place value and face value with one example. The given example is 9368527. Here you have to find the difference between place value and face value of 6. I think you know how to find the place value of 6 and face value of 6. If you don't know, please watch my previous videos. In this example, the place value of 6 is 60,000. That means 6 is in 10,000's place. Multiply 6 into 10,000, that is equal to 60,000. That is the place value of 6. And the next one, face value of 6. If you want to find any number face value, then the number itself is called as face value. Here the face value of 6 is 6. Now find the difference between place value and face value of 6. That means subtract 6 from 60,000. You will get 59,994. That is the difference between place value and face value of 6. See the next example. 387569. Here you have to find the difference between place value and face value of 5. Place value and local value are both the same. We can call it as place value or local value. Place value is also called as local value. In this example, the place value of 5 is 500. That means 5 is in hundreds place. So 5 into 100, 500. Next, the face value of 5 is 5 itself. Now calculate the difference between place value and face value of 5. Subtract 5 from 500. You will get the difference. 500 minus 5 equal to 495. That is the difference between place value and face value of 5. Let us take one more example. That is 537496281. In this example, you have to find the difference between place value and face value of 1. Here the place value of 1 is 1 because 1 is in units place. That means 1 into 1 equal to 1. Hence place value of 1 is 1. And next, face value of 1. This is also equal to 1. Now calculate difference between place value and face value. Subtract face value from place value. You will get answer. 1 minus 1, 0. Hence the difference between place value and face value of 1 is 0. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. If you understand the concept, please like it. If you want more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.